Hello, in today's lesson we are going to be having a look at some action and result cards. And we've got three documents to choose from. We've got a slightly easier set of questions, a middling set of questions, and some slightly harder questions. But we are going to have a go at the ones we've got in front of us. And what we're going to do, we're going to match one of these action cards with one of these result cards on the right hand side. The number that we've got in the circle is our starting number. So we're going to start with 24 and then we're going to do the action on the card. We're going to try and match that with one of these numbers on the result cards. Now I don't recommend that you print out the documents because on the document these result cards are black and that's going to use a lot of ink up. So you can either do what I've done, and I've actually made my cards and I could cut them out and then I could match them up, or you can just write your calculations into your exercise book. If you're going to do that, it makes sense to write our result numbers down in our books as well. So I've got 48, 8, 12 and 54. Once I've matched up one of my numbers, I can cross them off and I know which numbers I've got left. Okay, let's have a look at the first calculation. What have we got? We've got 24 and I'm going to divide it by 3. So let's write that down. We've got 24, we're going to divide by 3. Well, I think in my 3 times table I've got 3 lots of 8 giving me 24. So 24 divided by 3 is going to be 8. Fortunately that's one of my answers, so I can cross that off. I've used my 8 up. Let's have a look at the next card. We've got 24 and we're going to add 30. Let's write that down. So we've got 24, I'm adding 30, and I want to know what that is. Well, let's do a bit of column addition. We've got 24, I'm going to add 30. What do we get? 4 plus 0 is 4, 2 plus 3 is 5, 54. So 24 plus 30 is equal to 54. Is it in my list? Yes, it is. It's at the bottom. Cross that off. Okay, third card, what have we got? 24, and we're going to multiply it by 2. So 24 multiplied by 2 equals what? Oh, let's do a bit of grid method this time. So we've got to multiply by 2. I've got 24, so I've got 20 plus 4. And 20 for my first box, 4 for my second box. 2 lots of 20. 2 times 20 is 40. 2 times 4 is 8. Add those up. 40 plus 8 equals 48. So 24 times 2 equals 48. And it's on my list. And I can cross that off. Final card. Well, I'm hoping that the answer is going to be 12. Let's see whether it's right. Starting with my number of 24. And I'm going to subtract 12. So 24, I'm going to subtract 12. What's that going to be? Let's do some column subtraction. So we've got 24. I'm going to shift this up a little bit. I'm going to take away 12. 4 take away 2 is 2. 2 take away 1 is 1. So 24 take away 12 is equal to 12, and that's my last number. So I've managed to match up one of the cards on the left, one of the cards on the right. They should all match up, so there should be one result card for one action card, and you should be able to match them up. So pick your difficulty level, pick either the easier ones, the medium ones, or the slightly harder questions, and give them a go. If you're writing them out in your book, see some beautiful calculations, and the work that I've seen from you guys has been absolutely fantastic. You've been really good at laying your working out down. Keep that up. Have fun.